Which hybrid car brand gives you the best fuel economy, long-term reliability, and lowest maintenance costs? Most drivers guess wrong. Let me break it down for you. Today we are talking about the best hybrid car brand in the market and why it has become the top choice for millions of drivers worldwide. If you are thinking about switching to a hybrid for fuel savings and low maintenance, this video will help you make a smarter decision. When we talk hybrids, one brand stands out consistently: Toyota. Here is why. Toyota has been building hybrid technology for over 25 years. They launched the Prius in the late 90s and invested heavily in battery durability, motor technology, and seamless engine-motor integration. The result is a system that is smooth, simple, and proven in real-world driving. Reliability matters. Many Toyota hybrid batteries last well over 10 years, and the hybrid components rarely fail when maintained properly. As a mechanic, I have seen these cars come in with high mileage and minimal issues. That long-term dependability is hard to beat. Fuel economy is another key advantage. Toyota hybrid systems are tuned for real driving conditions, which means you get excellent mileage in the city and solid mileage on the highway. The system automatically switches between electric drive and gasoline power, so you get maximum efficiency without thinking about it. Maintenance is low compared to many other hybrid systems because Toyota keeps their design simple. You avoid complex dual-clutch transmissions and sensitive turbo systems found in some competitors. This makes ownership more affordable. There are strong hybrids from brands like Honda, Lexus, and Hyundai as well. Honda hybrids are efficient and smooth. Lexus takes Toyota's system and adds luxury. Hyundai offers good tech at a competitive price. Each has strengths, but Toyota still leads in proven reliability and long-term cost savings. If you want a hybrid that just works, starts every morning, and keeps your wallet happy for years, Toyota remains the benchmark. So when you are shopping for a hybrid, look beyond the fancy features and focus on the engineering and the long-term value. Proven technology wins in the real world. If this helped you, tap like and subscribe so you do not miss practical car advice from a mechanic. Drop your questions in the comments. I reply to as many as I can.